Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Jamaican-born St. Kitts dancehall artist Byron Messia is making waves with his new single Talibans. Now Talibans is a grimy dancehall track which debuted at number 24 on the UK hip-hop R&B singles chart and made its first entry this week on the UK singles chart at number 67 with a video which has a cameo from Jamaican dancehall artist Miss Heavy herself, Jada Kingdom, amassing over 23 million YouTube views. The track, produced by Z-Tech Records and EJ Fire, Messiah's Talibans, is from his 16-track debut album No Love, which was released in January by Z-Tech Records. Byron, who was recently in Jamaica, spoke with TVJ's ER about some of his more controversial comments. First, on considering himself a rapper not a dancehall act.
Tell them, say, I consider myself as a rapper. And you know what happened to? People want me to say, they want me to cap, they want me to lie, they want me to come out here and be like, oh, me go up and listen dancehall. Like, no bro, me never, yo, where I'm from, me never go up and listen dancehall like music. At the end of the day, a dancehall music I'm currently doing. But if I get the chance to do any other form of music, I'm going to step up my game. I'm going to show the world what I'm capable of doing.
And secondly, the Taliban was an Afrobeat song.
The reason why I will call it a dancehall song is because the melodies what me use and the creativity behind of it all is very dancehall-like. And you know what's a dancehall run deeper than just being dancehall as music. But the truth of the matter is, no matter if you want to call it a dancehall song, it will have the people for them. They create genres and in charge of genres and distribute genres. They're going to make you know, no, it is an Afro song.
Now you can catch the entire interview on TVJ ER. The debut album itself entered the top 10 of Billboard Reggae Albums chart at number 8, boosting 2 million streams across the United States. The sudden rise of the artist is attributed to Drake and Chris Brown endorsing him on tour across the world. He's on top. I'm Daedrian reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.